This 24-hour pizza dough is so simple to make. Master it and your pizza game will reach a whole new level. Grab your digital scale and let's measure our ingredients. First up, organic bread flour, 500 grams. Next up, sea salt, 15 grams. Give that a little whisk. Now we're going to add 2 grams of active dry yeast. And whisk again. And next to last, about 5 grams of organic cane sugar. And whisk. Add 350 grams of room temperature water. And mix. Once the flour and water come together, remove from the bowl and knead. Knead for 2 or 3 minutes. It should form a soft and sticky mass. Place it back in the bowl, add 20 grams of olive oil, and knead lightly. Cover and let rest for 24 hours at room temperature. After 24 hours, let's remove it from the bowl and divide into equal portions. I'm adding a little bit of flour here. I'm doing my best to divide this in 3 equal portions. Let's ball it up. First, flour up those hands. Grab a dough and fold it in half. Turn 90 degrees and fold again. This is a little tricky. You want to be gentle with the dough. Each time we fold, we're creating a little bit of tension. Notice I always keep the seam side facing away from my chest. And the smooth side toward my chest. Look how smooth that is. Turn and press about 15 times, maybe 20, until you get a nice taut ball. Then we're going to pinch the seam just like this. I'm going to show you one more variation of balling, this time on the counter. Basically, grab a corner of the dough and press it into the center, like this. Keep turning, keep pressing, until you have a nice, taut ball. That's it. Place these 3 doughs together on the counter, cover, and let rest for 3 hours. This is the magic. 24-hour dough that is light, airy, and ready to make pizza.